our thermal coffee server. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 9 inches and a depth of 14 inches. 14 inches from the front of the tray towards the back of the coffee server. And the overall height, we have 21 inches. Coming to the bottom will be the 2 trays that can be removed for cleaning. And the measurements for the tray itself will include 7 inches in length, but 5 inches in depth. And from there, coming to the front will be an indicator in liters, 4 liters being the maximum that will be displayed. And coming to the front will be the nose or the dispenser to dispense your coffee. Coming to the top of the reservoir will be a twist cap that's held in by a chain that can be loosened, where you can pour in your coffee, along with the smaller reservoir cap that can be loosened to pour in your product. So the cap can be removed and loosened, along with the smaller reservoir that can be released and inserted back onto the main reservoir itself. Going to the back will be the ETL certification for this coffee server. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotusa.com for more information on this product. Thank you.